Krishna Pada Sahagana Lalita Shibishakhataminischa Vrajashi Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. So, first of all glories to Sri Guru and Gaura. All glories to Guru Parampara. All glories to Hare Krishna Mahamantra Sankirtan. All glories to assembled devotees. Today, there is a question, looks like from Tapaswini Mirpua. Dandapat Pranam, dear most Gurudev, in the Jayodhani, in the purification ritual, we say about you, but Varam Bhatto Manacharya, which means actual Acharya. Bhartaman Acharya means not actual Acharya. Bhartaman Acharya means present or current Acharya. Then we say Paramahamsa, which means we know the absolute truth. Paramahamsa means actually detached from all type of material, free from material concept. There is no material attachment. Fully connected with the Lord. What does Parivrajagacharya mean? Parivrajagacharya means who is always traveling, not fixing one place, and spreading the loving message of Lord Chaitanya. 4 Sampradaya. Sri means Ramanujacharya's Sampradaya. Brahmo means Madhvacharya Sampradaya. Rudra means Shiva. This is Vishnu Shami Sampradaya. Our Shanak. Shanak means Brahma's 4 Kumara son. Church 4 Kumara. Shanak, Sanatana, Sananda Sampradaya. It's 4 Sampradaya. Which is accepted by Lord Chaitanya. That is 4 Sampradaya. Damodar Prabhu, Hare Krishna Maharaj, Dandavat Pranam. Bhaktarup Prabhuji is asking following questions. We read many books and listen to many pravachan. We have the knowledge, but why we are not able to realize it? First of all, we have to know the knowledge and realization. The 2 different things. One, knowledge means when you read the books, when you listen anything, that is you accumulate your knowledge. But when you what you read, when you practice, and then we are able to realize gradually. What I read, and if we practice accordingly, then gradually we will realize. I can give an example, like a geographical map. We know there is this side of map, the India, Australia, Europe, South America, North America, Africa, but that our knowledge. that side of map, world, that is changed. But when you go there, then you can realize that what is actual mean Australia. Australia means nice city. North America, South America, different American colony countries. Then you can realize it. So spiritual books we can read, but our spiritual practice based on chanting and respect to all Vaishnava. If you are not respecting all Vaishnava, and also chanting, it will not work also. Respect all Vaishnava and chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, then whatever you read, whatever you listen, everything will reveal to your heart. If it is written by truthful Vaishnava. Second, we know the right knowledge, but why do we still do the wrong way? For example, Srila Prabhupada said we should take only prasadam. We know this, but still we eat vegetarian food cooked at dhaba. Oh my God, no. First of all, I am not doing that. Since I born in Vaishnav family, my grandfather, Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta disciples, my parents also, my Gurudeva disciples, but now they all expired. But they never teach us like that. Anyway, we suppose not to do that. When we are not able to realize it, what is the benefit to take prasadam? Prasadam means who will cook. Actual prasadam means who will cook. He should chant, he should be devotee, he should get second initiation, devotee, and chants, Srila Prabhupada time, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati time, it is 64 round. Now anyway, after Srila Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta, his disciple reduced the number like 16, at least chanting 16 round, respecting Vaishnava, if he or she cook for a Lord, and which pujari, who is following all the ritual, this, when you go for pass water, he should change the cloth. All ritual form we manage, and chanting simultaneously and respecting Vaishnava. If that person offered to Lord, then we consider it is real prasadam. Otherwise, just like our mind satisfaction, it is prasadam. But something better than whatever going on nowadays, we have to consider it prasadam. If it is temple cooked by some initiated devotee and offer, we should not look how many rounds he is chanting. And vegetarian food cooked at dhaba or at the restaurant, I don't think so. The devotee are honoring that. If there is a situation appear, like Ramchandra once, not Ramchandra, Ramanuj once, she was in forest because Jadav Pukas wants to kill him. So Ramanuj escaped. Then he ran from the forest path away, inside forest. He wants to go reach Kanchipuram, which is far. On the way, he became thirsty, extremely thirsty. Then he saw there is a hunter and his wife. They are carrying water pot, full of water there. Then he begged like this way, I am so thirsty, extremely thirsty. Is it possible for you to give me some water? But the grief, first grief he took. Then he said no. Then happily they bathe and when a hunter and hunter wife giving the water. Once he drink like this way, after that he says stop. Then the hunter asking, why? You are extremely hungry, is thirsty. Why you are not accepting more? He say, you are hunter. So you accept before. Yes, I took it for saving my life. To save my life. That's enough. Now, life, okay. So I don't like to take any more. Then hunter, after the drinking the water, somehow or other, so Ramanus just tired and slept. Then when he wake up, when he get up, then he saw he in Kanchipuram, rich Kanchipuram. Actually, that hunter, they were Lakshmi Narayana to save Ramanuj from the dangerous situation. But why I am telling this example? Because this example is perfect example. In order to save my life, if it is required to break our vow, then we can do that. In that actually vegetarian food, cooked food from dhaba, if there is situation like that. But when devotee know he is not able to come back, he should cook. I am traveling around the world and always cooked sufficient food. I don't like to take anything from even the aircraft. Aircraft I ask only the sealed bottle water. If you have that, no need to cup anything, no need to give me anything. The sealed bottle of water. I think that, and I have my own food I am using. Around the world, every year I travel, last 22 years, but still in not that situation appear, I am suffering. Only once I suffer, it was in Miami to Costa Rica. Then flight was really in technical trouble. I was thinking Miami to Costa Rica only 2.5 hour journey. I never take any food with me because Costa Rica I will reach 9 o'clock morning. Here is 7 o'clock. 7 or 6:30 was the flight was from Miami. But in the middle of the when the flight reached Cuba, they said the pilot declared we are in severe technical trouble. We are searching one airport. Then which airport they landed, it was too small and all the beef, everything was beef surrounding. They gave me the voucher even to take food as I like. They have enough from 8 o'clock, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. no food, just drinking water. When I reach Costa Rica, almost 11 o'clock night. So they bought prasadam in the airport. I took prasadam and then I go to them. In this way, only once happened. This is my foolishness, you can say. But Joy Bhakti, concerning marriage system in India, my God, are the marriage still arranged by the parents? Village area, yes. Even my families, whoever going to marry, our family parents are arranged. But in city area, it's dilemma. I don't know yet, but looks like. Hi. কি হলো আচ্ছা আজ কি গন্ডগোল হলো I think you are able to see me, right? So just look, this nowadays we can see Very rare we can see that arranged marriage in the city. Everything boy and girl arrange, but parents appreciate and then they arrange accordingly, like looks like arranged marriage. Is an offense to remarry? Oh, it is a very touchy question. Remarry, this depends on situation. If the husband expired, physically expired, in this case, yes. But divorce and remarry, I don't think so it is proper. Do the pastime in Goloka happen in the same time that they happen on earth? What it means? Do the pastime, this pastime, marriage, remarriage, I don't think so. In Goloka Vrindavan, Krishna only one male, he marry and everybody marry to him. Hare Krishna. But today what to do? Our emergency solar light not working here. It's all dark. I cannot read also. Let me read. Okay. Let me say. Too much hot here. 46 degree today. I think we understand this. What is the meaning of hot here? So anyway, so we are discussing about Radharani's form, Radharani's quality, Radharani's beauty. This is the part Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami was explaining about it. So therefore, maybe this, and even our Acharya, they are giving so many commentaries from different places, and they are writing there, and I am reading that part. Even the Bengali language, it is very difficult to discover, and also in English terminology is very difficult to describe the real mood of that, all these Bengali to English, But I am trying. I am not an English speaker. English is my first language. I am trying. So I hope all of you should realize my condition, my position, my skill. So this is, now I am going to write, I am going to read that. Raga tambulo rage adhara ujjal prema kautilya netra jugale kajjal. Raga means loving. Tambulo, rag means spontaneous love. Rag means spontaneous love. Tambulo rage. Tambul means bitter leaves. How the bitter leaves chewing? There, tambulo rage. Means tambulo, if you just chewing, then your lips, nowadays, they are putting lipsticks. But tambulo rage. Tambul, these bitter leaves, they are putting, they are chewing, and then lips become red. Adhara ujjal. Adhara means lips become bright. Prema kautilya netra jugale kajjal. Prema kautilya. Prema kautilya means loving, loving kautilya মানে কলা কে কি বলে art, art. And netra jugal, eyes. Kajjal means there is eyeliner with that decorative eyes, like a decorative eyeliner. Oh. I think they put connection. They give connection. What? No, AC, why you keep AC in this solar? Solar doesn't be AC. The solar should not be connected with the AC. We should leave it. It's not good. Oh. Huh? This is solar light, the solar. Anyway, what to do? Everything upside down, Kali-yuga. Solar system we have but not working. Everybody engineer. So they are putting load. Hey Baba, I cannot see. Sudipto sattik bhav harshadi sanchari. Ki holo? Right? Hey. करंट लगेगा, बिजली आ गया, लगता है बिजली आ गया। Bijli coming. Oh my God. Anyway, I think you understand. This is I think you understand, all of you understand that 46 degrees without fan, sitting without fan is not easy. All my sweating, So, Sudipto Sattik Bhav Harshadi Sanchari Eisha Bhabhushan Shab Ange Bhari. Let me read what our Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained. So many different number not there. Anyway, Sudipta Sattik Bhav. Sudipta means bright, Sattik means mode of goodness, Shaktagun, Bhav Bhushan. Bhushan means ornament, such type of ornaments Radharani wearing. Sashta Pariched 12. Let's see that. No, it's not that. Madhya-lila Sashta Pariched. Chadri-lila, acha. Madhya-lila. Okay. Sudipta Sattik ei naam je pranay. Nitya Siddha Bhakti se Sudipta Bhav hoy. Okay. So now, here also one place, Srila Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami described that. What is the actual meaning of Sudipta Sattik? A pranay. Pranay means conjugal relation, right? Pranay, conjugal relation. Just one. explaining here, but they are not describing. সুদীপ্ত ভক্তি রসামৃত সিন্ধু দ্বিতীয়লা অষ্টসাত্ত্বিক কবিকারের গোপন চেষ্টা দিভিদা ধূমায়িতা জ্বলিতা ধূমায়িতা অদ্বিতীয়া অমি ভাব ঈশাদাক্ত অপরণ্যতুং সক্কা ধূমায়িতা মাতা এক অথবা দুইটি ভাব সহজ ভাবুকের শরীরে ঈশ্বর প্রকাশিত হইলে যে ভাবের গোপন সম্ভবপর হয় সেই ভাবকে ধূমায়িতা বলে। It's very difficult to translate in English language. This Ishadvakta. Ishadvakta means Isha অপহেনতুম। আচ্ছা, এক অথবা দুইটি ভাব। There's different type of bhav is there. Bhav has different level. Man, pronoy, snehoman. Lightest manner it appear is two bhav together. And হইলে যে ভাবের গোপন সম্ভবপর হয়, and which bhav you are hiding yourself, সেই ভাবকে ধূমায়িতা বলে। ধূমায়িতা মানে inside, like the ধূমায়িতা means actually fire inside, but you are not able to just ashes cover it. That sometimes you can burn some firewood, then it's fire. Outside you can see all the white ashes covered. So this is called Dhumaida. Radharani is sometimes such type of bhav. Sometimes he is hiding. Sometimes he is so many bhav. One bhav she is showing. Other bhav she is keeping hiding. Dhumaida. Jolita daud patrayo যুগগত যন্ত। এই এককালে দুই বা তিনটি সাত্ত্বিক ভাগ প্রকাশমান এবং কষ্টে তার সংগোপন সম্ভব হইলে তাকে জ্বলিতা বলে। When 2-3 bhav like sneho, affection, man, sulky mood, pronoy, conjugal, all those, everything appear together and barely manage to hide. Koste tahar sangopon. Kosta means hardly manage to hide it, that bhav. Like sometime we can see people are coming, beloved person coming, your tear coming to see after long time they appear, but that beloved person will not be happy to see your tear. You are hiding your tear. Like when sometimes you are chanting Hare Nam or chanting Gopal Mantra or Kam Gayatri. On Kam Gayatri chanting, you are realizing that Madan Mohan, Sambandha Obhidya Prayojan. Madan Mohan, Kamodevaya, Madan Mohan. It appears, You are chanting in front of several people. Kamodevaya, Madan Mohan appears, his lotus feet in front of your eyes. Then I don't like to chant whole name. Then I just then just Pushpabanaya. Pushpaban means this is called Radha Govinda Video. This, the 5 ban. The 5 ban means 5 arrows, which make our mind lusty, you can say. Roop, Ras, Sabda, Gandha, Sparsha means form. Ras means taste. Sabda means sound. Gandha means smell. Sparsha means touch. These are the 5 Vishaya. So 5 Panchaman. So this is Radha Govinda have that. So Pushpabanaya appear this. You feel Radha Govinda. but there people are sitting there, you don't like to cry. You are just feeling. But when you are not able to cover yourself, then people can say, oh, you are crying with some separation. Now hiding, because this spiritual realization, always we have to keep ourselves in hidden position. We should not show up. If it's how much you just trying to promote, and promote means to show people, look, I have that power. That much your devotional realization will degrade day by day. Because that is the symptom of ahankar, ego, false ego. And name, fame, distinction, desire. When people have such desire, they want to show what they are, how they are advanced, how they realize everything. So, dui tin sattikha prakashami kosted dar sangopon sampavile. Kosted dar kosta means very hard to control, body control. This is called jolita. Jolita means, actually Bengali, jolon means burning. When inside burning, but outside you are keeping like a normal. You don't like to show. Most of the devotees, who has realization, any realization about spiritual practice, they don't want to share. They don't want to express in public. Jolita sometimes. So anyway, Radharani have such. When Radha Krishna become together, they have some Radharani, sometimes Jolita, this different bhav, different inside, but not expressing. This is called Jolita, inside they are burning. Like sometimes we become angry, but in a material manner. Angry, but we are not able to express or showing the anger to that person, because this is not proper to show my anger to that. Like custom officer. In any, especially American border, if you just show any anger there, then they will send you to secondary immigration. Then a huge checkup. Anyway, so Sudipto Sattik Bhav Harshadi Sanchari Eisha Bhav Bhushon Sab Ange Bhari. All the entire body has lots of bhav. The bhav looks like ornamental bhav. This is like appear ornament. Such, when you feel it, then you can realize it. What is the meaning of different type of bhav? Sneha, affection. Like if you have daughter, beloved daughter, you can't leave them. Like if they did anything, small daughter, like a Chitra here. So if she do anything wrong, you are always chastising. But sometimes you can see she is also evolving. She is also rebelling. Then you just stop. Whatever feel, what you stop it. So this thing happened. This is the just Krishnadas Kaviraj explaining Radha's mood, different mood, Radha's beauty, even this Radha's entire description he is giving here. Then he explained किलोकिंचितादि भाव विंशति भूषित बाबा गुणसेनी पुष्पमाला सर्वांगे पूरित किलोकिंचित. Let me check whatever our parampara says. 174 168 সংখ্যা. Wow. তো 14 পরিচ্ছেদ 168 সংখ্যা. So much here. Oh, it's not easy to. So here, kilokinchito, 168 সংখ্যা. Yeah. Kuttomito bilas lolit. Bibbok mottaito mogdho chokit. This is Ashtasattik, there's the explanation is there. Sattik vikar, 8 প্রকার. স্তম্ভ, সেদ, রোমাঞ্চ, সরভঙ্গ, বিপ্লুত, বৈবর্ণ, অশ্রু এবং প্রলয়. This is 8 type of Ashtasattik vikar. Sattik, stambho, means like a stubborn, stunned, okay. Seda, pel, what do we got pel? Romancho, all the hair stand. Sarvanga, sore, throat choked. Like Mahaprabhu when he entered Jagannath Puri temple. Although he is trying to say Jagannath, but he is not able to say Jagannath. Jaga, 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 like this. Like our Sudev is having. Like that. Bepothu means not able to walk proper path. Just go as wherever his eyes goes, he just goes there. Like Mahaprabhu jump on the ocean because this is Jamuna river. Then he went, Sargodar he jumped, he went, he just, this, there is a fisherman when he's fishing, this is Chakratirtha place. Then the net, fishing with the net, fishing net is stuck over there. The fisherman, he was thinking, oh, big fish stuck. Then he saw, oh, a golden human form. And as soon as he saw, he felt prema, love. So, but he felt inside, maybe some ghost is there. So he left. Then Mukundo, all the devotees of Lord, they are searching. Where is Mahaprabhu? Then they met with that fisherman. Then as soon as they saw, they realized he may know that. Looks like he saw Mahaprabhu. So that's such type of mood, no? Beputho, Vaivarna means this properly not speaking. Vaivarna. Speaking is like, just not like normal speaking. He's speaking some spiritual matter. Ashru, full of tear. Pranay, full of love. Pranay. So, You can say that deep love. Huh? Then Babhichari. So much. Babhichari is a Babhichari বা Sanchari Bhav. 33 type of. Very difficult to Nirbed. Nirbed means there is no tiredness, just like a constantly doing. As you can see, when you have some spiritual realization, just like our Krishna Das Babaji, 24 hours he is sitting and chanting. Everybody can feel that why he is not sitting and why he is not sleeping. Bishad, Doino, Glani, Sram, Modo, Gorbo, Shanka, so many, Trash, Abeg, Unumad, Aposhmara, Badhi, Moho, Moti, Alasho, Jaddo. This is all total 33. 33 type of bhav is here. Babhichari or Sanchari. Babhichari means which is not normal. Looks like out of social code. You can see when person have some realization, spiritual realization, unable to hide themselves, unable to hide. So then you can see their mood, sometimes you can see. But Radharani's mood like that. Radharani, whenever she, the Babhichari, in our India, Babhichari call when you, on a housewife going out of the home and associating with other male form, they call Babhichari. So here, Radharani actually trap of Babhichari in the eye of social code, but she was not Babhichari. She is completely chaste woman, because eternal Krishna is eternal, Krishna's eternal consort is Radharani. So anyway, when they meet amongst each other, Nirbed, constantly serving. You can see Radharani how she serves early morning. She is going to Nanda Maharaj's palace to cook for Krishna. But 24 hours, if you just look, one after another, always. My spiritual master used to say that Radharani's hand always wet, never dry, always wet with water, because he always making preparation for Krishna. How she this restless, no way to take a rest, not feeling any kind of tiredness. Jabot to Radhakund, how far? Big. She went there, there is no car. But spiritual Yogamaya influence, Radharani, path very short. Go and come back, again prepare sweet for Krishna. It's a Nirbed. Then Bishad. Bishad, when you are not able to see Krishna, this, everybody wants to see Krishna always. We as devotee, when they want to see, but when they are not able to see. But the Bishad. Bishad means such expression and distressful expression. Am I right? Distressful expression. You can say Bishad. Like Mahaprabhu in Gambhira. In Gambhira, Mahaprabhu, with the mood of Radharani, he was chanting Kaha Krishna Pananad Murali Badan Kaha Jao Kaha Pao Brajendra Nandan. So where Brajendra, Krishna, Brajendra Nandan, Krishna means son of Nanda Maharaj. Where can I get you? Without you, my chest going to by poke, Phate means blast. Blasted. Yeah. So that's about Vishal. Doino. This is Tetrish, Vyabhichari, Sanchari Bhav. Tetris. That's 33. Doino. Doino means, I think all of you know, humility. I think all of you have the humility, right? Everybody have humility because you are chanting in our lineage, therefore you have humility. Glani. Glani, we can say, Glani, we are able to always say that we don't care about what people are thinking. But we have to do what we like to do for our beloved. Glani. We don't care what people are talking about, speaking about me. I am this, I am that, I am this much rough. That's the matter for me. I think all of you have that. Shrom. Shrom means work very hard. Restless, like Chitralekha you can see. She always goes up, down, up, down. Kau Seva goes, Kamla. She knows the Allah's name. 24 hours she is going there. Even this night time she is like this. She just chanting like this. Jayadeva Goswami Thakur. In sleeping time. She is telling that. Oh my God, what happened? Sitting there. So, Garbo, proud. Krishna, Krishna, this is my service. This, we're supposed to feel that. When we have so much seva, we're supposed to feel that. We're supposed to feel proud. Oh, Krishna engaged me in such seva. This is how fortunate I am. I feel garbo. Krishna accept me. Accept my service. Without Krishna's blessings, Krishna's mercy, we are not able to render any service for him. So when we get any seva, which is given by Guru, senior Vaishnava, we feel proud. This is my seva. I have to do this. But this such seva will gradually allow us to do the eternal seva. Service mood, if we have no service mood here, it is impossible to get service mood there. Therefore, our all previous teachers, they are not crazy. Prabhupada was not crazy. Why he established all this institution? To make ourselves to practice how to serve. When you stay together, there is so much different mentality, people are together. There's so much tolerance needed to be together. Tolerance. So practicing tolerance, practicing humility, rendering service, respecting, honoring. You are Omani. If someone say slang, anything slang, if you just mind, think, oh, this is not good, I don't like to do that. Any service, I have to quit my service. This is not real service mode. Anyhow, You know, Prabhupada Bhaktisiddhanta says, Shato Vipod, hundreds of obstacles. Shato Ganjana, Ganjana means criticism. Hundreds of criticism. Still, we have to fix our mind not to leave our service. Shato Vipod, Shato Ganjana, Shato Lanchana. Criticism, Ganjana means people are talking about, gossiping in my name. Hundreds people are gossiping in my name. And Lanchana means criticism, chastising. Still, I will not leave myself. I will not quit my seva. I will continue. Such type of glani, shram, hard work, modo, madness. Modo means 33 sanchari bhav. Vyabhichari va sanchari bhav. 33. Srama, modo. Modo means madness. If I get any seva, I have to be mad. Like 64 round I have to finish. No matter. You know this. If you fix in your mind, you have to do something every day. You can see particular time. You can see the particular time someone calling. Or someone, some important things appear. Some mind concoct situation appear. You have to just aside. Pray to Lord. Modo, which is madness. When you're drunk, they don't care. They can lie down beside the drain. Open, black water, flying, fly are flying and touching his nose, mosquito biting. They don't care. Same type of. We don't care what the service, day or night. Really, service mode like that. Raghunath Das Goswami, if you read Radharata Sudhanidhi, Prabhupada Saraswati, Radharata Sudhanidhi, then you can see he pay obeisance. He has such a great family. He belongs to such a great, rich family. But his renounce, touching everybody's heart. So in Radha Kund, he took such vow and his body was such weak. He paid obeisance but unable to get up, have no power to get up. Can you imagine? But he perfectly managed, and he wants to finish whatever he is taking vow. He take only from Radharani's group, food, prasad coming from Radharani's group. If without Radharani, someone bringing without Radharani's group, like once kotori, kotori means one bowl, leaf bowl, brought some ghol means buttermilk. He accepted it, extremely hungry. But as soon as he heard it is coming from Chandravali's camp, throw it. So Radha also the mother like this. Krishna become crazy. This 7th jam, which is Luke. 7th jam. This 7th jam means around 9 to 12 in between. 9 p.m. to 12 night. So at that time, if you just look, Brinda Sakhi brought Radharani to Sanket Kunj. And accordingly she prepared Radharani. Also there is flower bed. Pushpa Sajja. Pushpa means flower, Sajja means bed. Pushpa Sajja. And also give signal. Sanket means signal, The Krishna know from Nandama. Mother Jashoda let him sleep in his room. As soon as Krishna knew about it, then he come. Then Krishna came over there. Then they are sleeping there. It's pastimes, So we are not able to do that. But don't Mosai. We can't say we have to sleep now. We should not go there, right? It's time for sleep. For Radharani always prepare. If Krishna's happiness, I'm ready. Garbo achas. Garbo means proud. Shanka. Shanka means doubt. He is now here, tomorrow he may not come. Let me do more and more seva. Trash. Trash. Trash means trash. What is the meaning of trash? Trash. Trahimam. Trahimam. Means, trash means eagerness. Eagerness. Aveg. Emotion. Unmad. Craziness. I think all of you have that, right? Apsamar. Apsamar. Actually, I have to read this. Apsamar. Apasmar. Apasmar means apo. I don't know the English term. Badhi. Badhi means disease. Moho, bewildered. Moti, mind. Alasya, lazy. Jaddo. Jaddo means like very difficult. Jaddo. The same word. Lazy and jaddo. Jaddo means just like jaddo bhav. Jaddo. Anyway, jaddo means I can explain. I don't know the English exact language. The jaddo actual means is this. Always Jolosolo. Jolosolo means actually, always waiting, expecting the next step. This one once Srila Prabhupada asked Bhaktivedanta Madhava Goswami Maharaj, what do you like? Then he answered like this way, Prabhupada, you give me some seva. I am not finished yet. You give more seva. That I like. Look, Prabhupada asking Madhava Goswami Maharaj, what you like most? He said, I like when you engage me some seva. I am not finished yet, but you can give more. You give me more seva. That is my. So that means Vida. I have to check all these. Go now. Kivala Vaishnava Vidhan. All this actual English terminology, we can get it after that. Abodhita, Smriti. Smriti I know. Remember everything. Vitarko, debate. Chinta, thinking. Moti, mind. Dhriti. Dhriti means fixing, fixed mind, form. Harsho means joyful. Utsuk. Utsuk means what is the next? Huh? Eager, I already used this. Huh? Ugra. Enthusiasm and utsuk. Ogra. Amorsho. Ashua. Chapallo. Nidra. Supti. Even Prabodh. This is called all 33. I will explain, Baba. I don't have Vaishnava Abhidhan. I will check Vaishnava Abhidhan. I don't have Vaishnava Abhidhan here in Vrindavan. Well, I will check. I will let you know as soon as I have this. This is all the bhav. What we are thinking, what we are talking about. This the Saubhagya Tilak Charu Lalate Ujjajana Kilokinchitadi Bhava Vinshati Bhushito. This is all Kiloyan. Gunoshani Pushpamala Sharpange Purito. Guno Sreni, according to quality, Pushpamala. Pushpamala, flower garlands. Sharpanga means all his body. This Vrindavan, they are not wearing ornament like gold, diamond, so much. Mostly they are decorating, Sakis are decorating with flower. Bed also flower bed. That time so many flower was available. Now only concrete jungle available. So, but in spiritual Vrindavan, real Vrindavan, there should be Kalpavrikshama forest, wish fulfilling trees, so many. So, Kilokinchitadi Bhava Vinshati Bhushito. Gunoshani Pushpamala. Gunoshani Pushpamala. Pushpamala means flower garland. Sarvangi Purita. So Radharani's all the bhav in entire body is showing it. And his body was decorated with such fragrance flower. Fragrance flower. Pushpamala. Nice fragrance forest flower. This is the best way. So, I think I explained several times in this that all the gopis and Radharani came to Kurukshetra and explained Krishna. If you have real mercy on us, please come Vrindavan with us. Remove your turban and remove your all horses, elephant, and come with us. We will decorate you with our forest flower. That is the Vrindavan mood. Vrindavan mood is sweet mood, home of Lord. And also Dwaraka mood, office of Lord. Opulence is there. Office have opulence. So many opulence in office. A nice air-conditioned room, nice chair, nice table. If you think it is good for sleeping, then next day your boss will kick you out. Right? Office you have to work. But home you can do as you like to do. So better for us to think about Krishna's home in Vrindavan, and we can reach Vrindavan through chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So take shelter of Hare Krishna Mahamantra and give me blessings to find out from Gaudiya Vaishnava Abhidhan. And gradually I can translate the 33 Sanchari Bhav, what Radharani had. And also Kilokinchita Bhav, everything I will explain. Most problem is this here now is, tomorrow will be 47 or 48 degrees Celsius here. I don't know, I will survive or not. Because 20 years I am not able to stay in such heat. Always I am in Europe But this year a lockdown here. What to do? Hare Krishna. Please excuse me. It is really hard topics even for me also. Try to pray. Please try to pray to Radharani. Then you can see all the mood, all the ornamental, decorative each form, and then you can realize. Our things realization, not like a knowledge to get so many languages. Realization most important. I hope by the blessings of Radharani, we do have such realization. But in near future, we may have realization. Hare Krishna.